Hello, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Yusuf and today I'm very excited to announce that we are going to launch the English pronunciation course, which definitely will improve your pronunciation.
In this course, we are going to study Better English Pronunciation book by J.D. O'Connor, which is a highly successful and widely used text on pronunciation. It provides a systematic and thorough introduction to the pronunciation of English to help intermediate and more advanced students improve their pronunciation of the spoken language. This book can quite safely be said to be the most effective book ever written to help the ordinary learner to improve his pronunciation. The purpose of this course is very simple: to help you, the listener, to pronounce English better than you do now. Millions of foreign students want to learn English as well as they can. For some, it's only a matter of reading and writing it, and they will find no help here. But many students want to be able to speak English well, with a pronunciation which can be easily understood both by their fellow students and by English people. And it's for them that this course is specially intended. After a short introduction to phonetics, we will explain how the speech organs work. Then, we are going to deal with each sound separately before dealing with words in combination. And in each lesson, we will add some exercises to let you practice what you have studied. But first, how do we learn languages? Language starts with the ear. When a baby starts to talk, he does it by hearing the sounds his mother makes and imitating them. If a baby is born deaf, he cannot hear these sounds and therefore cannot imitate them and will not speak. Another question appears, that if we learn languages by hearing sounds, so why we are using letters? Letters and sounds, these must never be mixed up. Letters are written, sounds are spoken. In ordinary English spelling, it is not always easy to know what sounds the letters stand for. For example, in banana, bather, man, and many, the letter A stands for 5 different vowel sounds, which is inconvenient. It would be much more useful if the reader could always be certain that one letter represented one and only one sound. That when he saw a letter, he would know at once how to pronounce it. That's why it's helpful to use letters in a consistent way when dealing with English. How many letters and how many sounds are there in English? There are 26 letters in the English alphabet, but there are 44 sounds in English. 44 sounds are divided into vowels and consonants, and we can define them as the following. Consonant, one of a set of sounds in which air from the lungs is seriously obstructed in the mouth and which occur in similar positions in words. Vowel, one of a set of voice sounds in which air leaves the mouth with no interference and which occur in similar positions in words. We have 24 consonants and 20 vowels to consider, and we give to each of these 44 units a letter, or sometimes 2 letters if this is convenient. This is what's called International Phonetic Alphabet, IPA, which we are going to deal with each one of them separately. The use of the colon with the vowels E, R, O, U, is to show that they are in general longer than I, O, etc. They are also different in their actual sound as the different letters indicate. These groups of sounds, each represented by one letter of the phonetic alphabet, are called phonemes, and the method of representing each phoneme by one symbol is called phonemic transcription, and we can define them as the following. Phoneme, a set of similar sounds which contrasts with other such sets to differentiate words. Phonemic transcription, the representation of each phoneme by a single symbol and may be enclosed in diagonal lines.
That's enough for this video. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next video.